Tariki 15 mweri wa gatandatu koragwo uri muthenya wa kuririkana andu akuru bururi-ini, muthenya uria wathondekirwo ni ngwataniro ya urumwe wa kimabũrũri UN. Ugukiri uguo nitwekinyirie itura ria Jericho Buruburu guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, kuria turacemania na muthuri ti Charles Mathenge wa ukuru wa miaka 72 agithie na mbere na mihango yake ya oro muthenya. Muoroto witu wa kunanira njungwa nake ni kwenda gutaukirwo wega moritu mari andu akuru mageragira, uira muiganu nake ario na mathina kuona ari ngari ni andu aria mari na mawathe wa maguru. Mathenge arwarire murimu wa polio ario munini na ugicungiriria wathe wake wa maguru, no ni ahotire guthie na mbere na muturire wake. Indi wathe ucio ukihiriria thutha wa kugurara hindi ya bara ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2007.
I'm having problem of sickness because my legs were attacked by polio early childhood. I'm still suffering actually. I was injured during post-election violence. I was admitted at Kenyatta National Hospital for 6 months. I was unable to raise surgery fees. They wanted to do surgery so that they do skin grafting, but I could not afford it.
Thabari ya kwambiriria gwetha urigitani thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta ni aringire ihiga kuona ndangiahotire kuriha nuthu milioni iria ciabataranagia niguo athinjwo.
So they are addressing through NHIF card, which is not enough to do a surgery at Kenyatta National Hospital. Because they asked me to do a harambee and raise at least $500,000 so that I can enter the theater. Then they do skin grafting.
Oho ni ageretie gwetha uteithio ndiakaga umithio riu akiuria mundu ungi mukuatha kumuteithiriria kugia na ngari ingi ya andu mari na wathe kana wheelchair na agaikia ikaya riri kuri thirikari.
Nimejaribu kuona MCA, nimejaribu kuona MP, lakini they keep on telling me tomorrow. I would like to get a wheelchair, tricycle, because I'm getting it through a lot of problems.
Ikinya ria minister wa kigina Ukuria Tani kuga ni magukorwo makirenga igoti hari kigina kia akuru riukite rita igutha rinene kuona mbeca icio itimaiganaga na nginya kuri engi matiamukagira mbeca icio.
How the budget was led, it is to start in July. How it was led. We are getting 2,000 shish, but now they said the tax money is in now. We are insured by NHIF, but NHIF don't cover all areas.
Yvette Bonareri ni umwe wa aria maruagira ihoto cia andu akuru, uria tutariirie mamwe ma maundu maria angiendekithia thirikari kuingirira niguo kumateithiriria.
Government needs to support the elderly in small scale farming, subsistence farming, where they can be able to farm.
Na tondu ukuru riaga withi na gakari gacira ka mundu wothe, riu andu makorio kuririkana na guteithiriria akuru na njira iria mundu angihotithio nayo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Nduta Wanyuthe.